Hello guys, welcome you all to Nutmeg India YouTube channel as well as Nutmeg.in Facebook page. In our last couple of videos we have discussed about Mohunbagan and East Bengal. Now it's time to give you some fresh and latest update of international transfer market. Before I start, I just quickly request you to subscribe our Nutmeg India YouTube channel and like and follow our Nutmeg.in Facebook page. Your subscription, like, comment, share will definitely inspire us. Without wasting any time, I just quickly start off with the updates of newly appointed gaffers. Let me start with Jose Mourinho. As you know that Mourinho took the charge of Italian club AS Roma. He touched down in Italy as he begins his reign as a Roma manager and received a huge ovation from the fan. Later started his new coaching career in AS Roma. But who will be the next coach for Tottenham Hotspur? Let's check it out. Tottenham appointed former Wolves coach Nuno Espirito Santo as the new head coach on a 2-year deal. Now I would like to give you an update of French legend Patrick Vieira. Crystal Palace have confirmed the appointment of Patrick Vieira as their new head coach. He has signed a 3-year deal at Selhurst Park. It's time to give you another update for Red Devils. After signing the Jadon Sancho, Manchester United was looking to sign Real Madrid defender Rafael Varane to concrete their defense. Varane has agreed the personal terms with Manchester United ahead of a move to Old Trafford, but the transfer fee is yet to be agreed. It can Van de Beek is wanted by Real Madrid and Manchester United are willing to let him go. It seems like a swap deal, right? Varane to Manchester United and Van de Beek to Real Madrid? No, it's not. As per source, an initial €2 million will be offered for a Van de Beek loans transfer with the option to buy if he can impress in Spain. Now it's time to give you some fresh update of Brazilian forward Philippe Coutinho. Philippe Coutinho dreams of rejoining Liverpool, but Jurgen Klopp is showing little interest. But in the same time, Philippe Coutinho has reportedly been offered to AC Milan to fill the void left by Hakan's departure to the city rival Inter Milan. Let's review the update of famous Spanish defender Sergio Ramos. As per the French radio station, Paris Saint-Germain have struck a deal to sign the experienced defender Sergio Ramos. The veteran defender Sergio Ramos is set to find a new challenge with PSG after leaving his previous club Real Madrid. I will talk about the speculations moving around the world that Liverpool is signing Mbappe, but the reality is that Liverpool is not going to sign Mbappe this summer. Mbappe will stay at PSG this season, but in next season Mbappe go anywhere. So it could be a bit interesting to see who can come first and back Mbappe in next season. Real Madrid management thinks that he can be a potential target in next season. Last and final update for today's video about Erling Haaland. Chelsea approached to sign Haaland, but Borussia Dortmund determined not to release Haaland as he has a contract with them. Also, as Dortmund sell Jadon Sancho to Manchester United, so they are not in rush to sell Haaland at the moment. These are the key updates of international football transfer at the moment. We will definitely come back to you with more interesting updates of Indian football as well as foreign football. So till that time, stay tuned with us. Subscribe our Nutmeg India YouTube channel as well as like and follow Nutmeg.in Facebook page. Stay safe. Goodbye.